afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dr. John Belkwitz from Intelligent Concrete. Business as usual over here. We've been working away at some making and breaking of concrete. Got some awesome concrete samples here on the desk too. Some stuff from the Hoover Dam. First concrete highway in America in Bellefontaine, Ohio, right, babe? Mm-hmm. Some lightweight stuff that we did. That was, yeah, I know.
Planned our road trip so we could stop there.
Yeah, so some fun stuff that we're doing over here at Intelligent Concrete. I've got Q&A Wednesday to run. I've got a question from a Professor Gozal. I have a specific question of mine. It goes like this. Say the pH of my nanosilica, I'm guessing nanosilica dispersion, liquid dispersion, is a pH of 9 to 10 and the pH of concrete is 11 to 12. How do they go along together? More than likely not well. I mean, that's one of the things that we know about nanosilica-sized particles in a well-dispersed distribution is that distribution relies on the balance between the electrical double layer and the pH of the solution. And some of the nanoparticles that we grow or that we refine, we need to a certain degree manufacture an electrical double layer using sodium oxide or other stuff to keep that stable dispersion. If you have, it doesn't even have to be the cement pore solution. It could be just, a calcium nitrate based accelerator that you're adding to the concrete. Anything that's going to change that electronegative potential of that, colloidal silica dispersion, that ultrafine amorphous colloidal silica, is going to cause an agglomeration, a building up of the silica or the nanosilica-sized particles bouncing off of each other, and instead of them bouncing off each other, bouncing into each other and other particles due to Brownian motion, you're going to see these van der Waals forces build up, and eventually you'll have this stacking of those particles until you get these three-dimensional structures, these colloidal silica hydrogels, these agglomerates that are pretty intense and often create fairly big voids that can lead to a breakdown of the concrete. So it's very difficult to use a colloidal silica that has a much lower pH. I'll take the low end to the high end. Let's say our colloidal silica has a pH of 9, and for some reason our concrete has a pH of 12. I mean, you should see agglomeration once it hits that concrete. And once that happens, it's pretty hard to undo that. So yeah, bear that in mind when you're using your concrete. Unless you're specifically going after that, it's something that you have to be cognizant of. Hopefully this helped. Let us know if you got any other concrete questions, concrete concerns. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ding that bell for notifications. Go concrete! Beat asphalt!